Hole 7 is a par 4, 404, 401. Call it 4 bills from the blue.
Oh yeah.
I will like that one with all the added sound effects.
You're gonna love it.
All right, hitting them all right today. Time for a little liquid death break. Rest in peace. Stay hydrated during the summer, boys. All right, we got about 105, 106 into a breeze shell, or
I'm not feeling much air moving right here. That flag is not moving.
okay. Now I feel the wind. There it is.
Now it is.
Get there.
Good.
Get there.
Left. Yep.
All right. All right. Gave ourselves a look. That's all we can ask for. All right. I don't see much in this. She maybe goes right at the end. If you push it right, it goes right. But good speed.
Right speed.
Par. Thanks. Look at that beautiful noodle playing some good golf, aren't you, buddy?
That noodle is playing some good golf.
I mean, it's probably mostly me, but
I think.
nah, it's got to be the ball.